Hey crochet friends! This video is a clip of a longer video I just filmed and accidentally ended up making it an hour long. The hour-long video includes everything I can think of that I know about amigurumi crochet and crocheting plushies. If you don't have an hour to spend with me today, that's okay. I broke it up into clips. In this video, I'll show you how to do this. I thought I was going to use that navy blue cotton yarn, but it's a little hard to see on the blue plushie yarn, so I went and I just found this black. And this is where you can see the name brand and the label of the kind I like to use. Go ahead and cut about 12 inches. Now we're going to use our yarn needle to sew it onto the plushie's face. I like to start from the top center. You go down. Leave a little bit up here so you can tie it comfortably. And now I want to leave one stitch between the smile and the plushie's eye. So I want to make sure I have the same thing on the other one. So I'm going to insert it and bring it back up right where I started. And the reason why I do it in the top center and not the bottom is so the edges will naturally curve up this way. There you go. It's a simple smile, nothing fancy. If you want it to look different, instead of going around 3 stitches, you could try to go around 2 or even go around 1. All of those smiles will look completely different. Now, if this were how I wanted the smile to look, I would take my Arlene's Fabric Fusion and very lightly put some underneath the cotton yarn before holding it down just to secure it in place. But since I messed up earlier, it works out for you guys because I'll show you how to do a second type of smile I know how to do. Since I made the eyes a little too far apart, just pull it so it's a little looser. And now we can use some more of our black cotton thread. We don't need as much, so maybe just like 6 inches. If you can see, this piece of yarn is made up of multiple pieces of thread. You can separate them. So I'm going to separate. This yarn was made out of 4. There we go. There's one single one. Put it on your yarn needle. Now with Sugar and Cream, this is pretty strong. Other brands of cotton, like Michael's store brand, other craft store brands, sometimes they are not strong. So be careful. Don't pull it too tight if you're using something else. Insert it from the same spot in the top and middle. Now we're going to want to go as close to the center of the smile that we possibly can. Let's loop around the smile and insert it right back into the same hole and then right back up to the start. Make sure you don't have any fuzzies stuck in there. Now you can pull it tighter. Because we only used one section of the thread, it's kind of already hidden. You can't even tell it's there. And now you just take a moment and try and even these 2 sides out. And if you want to, you can adjust this side or this side if you have to. That looks pretty cute to me. So now I'm going to show you how I actually do put the glue down. I told you earlier in the video how permanent this glue was, and that's why I'm not using it straight from the bottle. I'm going to put a tiny bit onto my yarn needle, push the smile up, and then I can dab a tiny bit of the glue underneath of the cotton and press it down how I want it. Sometimes you might have to do this like twice if the yarn just absorbs all the glue really quickly. That looks cute to me. It's like a little kawaii style mouth. Now we can take all of our extra ends, just tie them 3 times, and then use your crochet hook to hide them inside the plushie. So to do that, I just insert my hook from the side, grab onto what I'm trying to hide, and then pull it in. Usually I just kind of twist my crochet hook around so I don't pull it out the other side. And now just take your time to perfect it before the glue dries. I'm still mad at myself for putting the eyes too far apart, but I think this guy looks cute either way. Now to make blush, it's super easy. I'm going to be using Burnout Blanket in the color Tan Pink. There are a million different shades of pink Burnout Blanket. I really like the one called Coral Blossom, but they're always discontinuing colors. I don't even know if they make that anymore. Obviously, use a paper towel to clean this off before you use it again. Arlene's Fabric Fusion isn't like super glue. It's not gonna get like all stuck to your hands and ruin everything. It will get super stuck to any fabric. To do the blush, I'm gonna insert from the side, and I just want to loop around a stitch kind of close to the eye. Leave some over there so there's enough to tie when we're done. I'm gonna loop around 1 stitch. I'm gonna do that about 3 times, just so it looks full. And on the 3rd time, instead of going back around, I'm going to end where I started. And you can use your needle to kind of make it more into a circular shape instead of like a dash shape. your end, tie your ends 3 times, then use your yarn needle to hide it inside the plushie again. There we go, and just repeat that for the other side. There you go, our cute little plushie is finally done. Our little blueberry ball guy. If you want to learn more stuff about making plushies, go check out the longer video once you finish this clip. Okay, I hope you enjoy the little clip video. If you have any questions, just leave them for me in the comments. Bye!